Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I've been waiting to do this video for quite some time. I'm very excited. I have my first supercar. This is a car that replaces the Jaguar F-Type. You've seen the teasers, and it's finally here. I'm very excited to reveal it to you. This is my dream car. After a horrible year in 2020 for all of us, we had to start the year in a positive note. So this is possible because of your endorsement and your subscriptions, and honestly, with your support over the last year has been tremendous, and I appreciate that you've been helping me grow the channel, and hopefully you'll continue supporting me, and we'll make a lot of videos about this car. We'll make a lot of content. It's gonna be fun, and a lot of other things coming up for Garage Butts this year. So without further ado, here's the car. The name of the car is Storm, and I think it's going to be self-explanatory why. So again, thank you, a bit of bubbly to celebrate, and happy 2021.